Greetings from the York University School of Continuing Studies in Toronto, Canada. My name is Dave Orellana, and I am delighted to announce that I will participate in the 34th Canadian University and College Admission Fair and Workshop, which will be hosted by Canam from September 18 to September 28. Canam is one of our trusted partners, and they have helped students like yourself achieve their dreams. The York University School of Continuing Studies offers you the opportunity to achieve personal and professional growth in a rapidly changing career and educational landscape. Our ability to offer accelerated, accessible, and innovative programs in areas such as human resources, back-end and blockchain development, cloud ops, cybersecurity operations, digital and content marketing, public relations, and accounting will help you thrive. Don't miss this opportunity to study at the fastest growing school of continuing study in Canada. Book your appointment with York University School of Continuing Studies, desk number 33, through your Canam counselors, and meet me in Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Kochi, Bangalore, and New Delhi. Pick the date and time slot that is convenient for you. See you